Part 12. Electric machine. Two types. Static machine, transformer, already discussed, L5 and L6, and other rotating machine. Two types. DC machine and other AC machine. DC machine, dynamo and motor, DC motor, as same armature and field are there. Three types. Number one, magnetodynamo, the permanent magnet and armature. This is a permanent magnet, field and armature. Permanent field, these are small type dynamo to used for oil engine, gas engine, and also motor car engine for spark. Number two, separately excited dynamo. The field excite outside power input in field and armature rotate. The armature power output. This type separately excited dynamo outside line current to inject in field coil. This type of use for booster etc. And number three, self excited dynamo, all motors. Number one, series dynamo or motor. Number two, parallel or shunt dynamo or motors. Number three, compound dynamo or motor. Number one, series dynamo or motors. Series dynamo motors, the armature and field in series. This is a brush, positive brush, and is a negative brush. Series dynamo or motors are mainly field and armature connected in series. Dynamo rotate by prime mover, generate armature current to flow through brass and field windings to the positive current come out at positive terminal and load circuit completed through the negative terminal. It's to reverse as DC motors. Dynamo's batteries are same terminal positive to flow to negative terminal. Series dynamo or motors, armature current, field current and load current as same. If prime mover out from dynamo, same dynamo to move by battery current as DC motor. High starting torque and wide range speed. Wide range speed to action. DC series motors, train, trams, hoist, cranes, vacuum cleaners, etc. to use the DC series motors. Number two, parallel or shunt motor. This is the field in connected armature in parallel. This is called shunt motor, armature brush. Parallel or shunt dynamo or motors as same, the field coil connected in parallel with armature. Armature positive brush current come out positive terminal and other and and other positive current to flow field coil to negative brass of armature, and circuit completed by the load from positive terminal into negative terminal. Shunt dynamo armature current is equal to field current plus load current, depend on armature windings. It's used for constant load. Starting torque in pole as speed is constant. Use in lathe, machine tool, small printing press, etc. Number 3. Compound dynamo or motor, two types. Number A, series field and shunt in parallel with armature, and series field in series with armature. This is called short shunt compound wound motors, called cumulative motors. And other B, shunt field connected in parallel and series in line in armature. The brass, positive brass and negative brass armature. This is called long shunt compound wound motors, called differential motors. Differential motors. Compound wound DC motors, dynamos, two types. A, cumulative compound wound motors, and B, differential compound wound motors. Compound wound motors are dynamos, short shunt and long shunt compound occurring of their series field connection. Short shunt as cumulative compound and long shunt as differential compound motor. The A cumulative series field provide as high starting torque, and shunt field prevent the overrunning in case of no load condition. Cumulative motors to reduce the peak demand the motor. In case of heavy loads, cumulative compound motors use high starting torque such as conveyors, mine hoist, rolling mill, large printing press, lift, power fan, etc. This is a series field in cumulative motors. This is a A. This is a short shunt compound wound motors called cumulative. The B, differential compound series field DC motors, has poor starting torque for same horsepower ratings, full load speed. These type motors has very small and negative regulation. Differential compound motors used in battery booster, experimental and research work, etc. The B, the series field is connected in series with armature, and shunt field connected in parallel with the series field. This is the positive terminal, this is the negative terminal. Long shunt compound wound motors called differential motors or dynamos. Next, discuss about AC machines.